4.7 Jeep. Changing out the piston bearings. Already did these two. This one. I'm going to show you when you get knocking at the bottom of your motor. This is what it is right here. The bearing on this is bad. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you what they look like when they're bad. Alright, so we got one right here. Now, look how thin this is. It's all worn